Super-Z6 and 8, snow chains without the chain. Most modern vehicles come with very limited clearance and often restrict the use of snow chains. Super-Z6 and 8 are specifically designed to work with these extremely difficult applications and can be used where conventional chains cannot. Super-Z6 and 8 have the smallest inside clearance requirements without any adverse effects on traction and durability. Super-Z6 for passenger cars needs only 6 mm space on an inside tire sidewall. Super-Z8 for light trucks, SUVs, and small trucks needs only 8 mm space on the inside tire sidewall. Installation is very easy. Park the vehicle on firm, level ground away from the flow of traffic. Set the emergency brake. For increased safety, wear highly visible clothing if possible. Remove any wheel covers. Chains should be installed on drive wheels. Lay the cable chain on the ground with a smooth side, or tire side, up. Move the chain in a sweeping motion under the vehicle so the open midsection is positioned against the back side of the tire. This sweeping motion can best be done while kneeling in front of the tire. The ice scraper can be purchased separately. Reach around the side of the tire and grasp both ends of the non-split side cable that is furthest away from you. Pull both ends to the top of the tire so the fasteners can be seen and manipulated more easily. Close the inside fastener. At the top outside of the tire, close the fastener. Grasp the outside cable with both hands and pull it toward you to create as much slack as possible. Close the lower fastener. In order to close the outside fasteners, they have to be at an angle to each other. Attach the tensioner to take up additional slack. To make this simpler, attach the first hook at the 11 o'clock position, the next hook opposite at the 5 o'clock position, and so forth. The open side of the hooks should face away from the tire so that they do not dig into the tire. No additional adjustment is required. Practical bag. Super-Z6 and 8 provide outstanding durability due to their uniform wearing alloy traction coils. Rubber tighteners ensure even tensioning without additional stops or the need to retighten the chains. The Z design supports optimum performance of ABS and ensures the constant contact of both tire and chain with the road surface. We recommend that you practice the installation one time in dry conditions to make sure that the chains fit and so that the installation in winter conditions goes faster. To remove the chains, drive the vehicle off the highway to safe, level ground. Set the emergency brake. Remove the rubber tensioners. Unhook the outside and inside fasteners. The inside fastener is opposite the black outside fastener. In order to open the outside fasteners, they must be at an angle. Lay the chains on the ground and drive off of them. Examine chains for damaged or worn parts. Place chains together and place them back in packaging. Tips for getting the most of your SCC traction products. Even if your owner's manual states that snow chains cannot be used, there is a very good possibility that one of SCC's cable products can be used safely. However, you need to verify that the chains work with your vehicle. Install chains and verify that they do not touch any parts in the fender well. Drive slowly and listen for any clicking noises. If the chain touches any parts or makes any clicking noises, it cannot be used. The use of snow chains increases accelerating and braking abilities as well as the side traction during winter driving. For optimal safety, we recommend to install snow chains on all tires. Do not exceed speeds over 30 miles per hour. Avoid driving on snow-free roads. Avoid spinning the tires. Start slowly to maintain traction. Avoid locking your brakes. Avoid quick driving maneuvers and adjust your speed to winter driving conditions. After use, rinse your traction devices and spray them with an all-purpose lubricant before storing them. Drive with foresight. Winter traction products increase available traction, but they do not make you invincible. Super-Z6 and Super-Z8, the perfect snow chains for modern vehicles.